Next question is, which of the following is an example of cash flow from investing activity? Answer is cash received from disposal of fixed assets. Next question is, ratios calculated to have indications about the short-term solvency of the business are called. Answer is liquidity ratios. Next question is, parties interested in financial analysis are. Answer is all of the above: investor, government, financial institution. Next question is, provision for contribution to provident fund is shown under which head of balance sheet? Answer is current liabilities and provision. Next question is, revenue from operation is rupees 1,80,000. Rate of gross profit is 25% on cost. What will be the gross profit? तो जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था 25% ऑन कॉस्ट जो होगा वो किसके बराबर होगा? 20% ऑन सेल्स के बराबर. तो 1,80,000 का 20% अगर हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आएगा आंसर 36,000. तो 36,000 इसका आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ फाइल इन एक्सेल इज कॉल्ड. आंसर इज वर्कबुक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, MS एक्सेस इज अ. आंसर इज डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ डेटा इन अ प्राइमरी की फील्ड इज. आंसर इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड मस्ट बी यूनिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच कमांड रिवर्सेज द लास्ट एक्शन परफॉर्म्ड इन द वर्कशीट. आंसर इज undo. Next question is, in a computerized accounting system, the framework of storage and processing of data is called. Answer is operating environment. Next question है, which of these purposes does not pertain to charts? Answer is selecting values. Next question is, dash may be integrated with enhanced MIS, multilingual and data organization capability to simplify all the business processes of the organization easily and cost effectively. Answer is computerized accounting system. Next question is, which financial function indicates total number of payments for the loan? Answer is NPER. Next question is, an object which is designed to extract data from one or more table is called. Answer is query. Next question is, where are the amounts owed by customer for credit purchases found? Answer is account receivable subsidiary ledger. Next question is, to get a well formatted printable data from Access database we may use. Answer is report. Next question is, when adjusted purchases is shown on debit column of trial balance, then answer is both opening and closing stock will not shown in the trial balance. Next question is, the cost incurred in providing goods and services is called as. Answer is expenses. Next question is, historical cost is used for recording value of purchases of an asset because. Answer is cost concept applies. Next question is, the immediate recognition of losses is related to conservatism or prudence convention. Next question is, items recorded in journal proper are goods used for personal purposes, opening and closing entries, loss of goods by fire.